Greetings everyone, today I am going to show you how to use SwarmUI generated workflows presets in ComfyUI. This is Z Image Turbo with ControlNet. This is 1.2.2 image to video 4 steps. This is Qwen Image Edit 2511, and you know we have amazing presets in SwarmUI, and a lot of people were asking me how you can use these presets in ComfyUI with easiness. Furthermore, I will show you by using extra model paths.yaml file how you can use your existing model files inside SwarmUI, or how you can use your existing models in ComfyUI in SwarmUI. So you won't be doing duplicate of models. For this tutorial, you need to update your ComfyUI to the latest version. You see we have ComfyUI version 70. It may get updated when you are watching this tutorial. The link will be in the description of the video. Move the zip file into your existing installation. You can also make a fresh installation. If you don't know how to install ComfyUI, we have a tutorial. It is here. The link will be also in the description of the video, so watch it. Then extract everything inside this file into here and overwrite everything. This is important. Then first of all, run the Windows install or update ComfyUI.bat file. We have improved our installer into UV, so it is super fast to install and update. Moreover, this will install the necessary additional custom nodes to run the SwarmUI workflows inside ComfyUI. So everything is updated and installed. One another thing, you need to run Windows custom node install SwarmUI extra nodes. Double click and run it. This will be automatically installed with the mass compute and RunPod. So both of them will be fully automatic. You don't need this one. Okay, it is also done. So our ComfyUI is now up to date. And as a next step, we will update our SwarmUI and our presets. So download the latest zip file from here. The link will be also in the description of the video. If you don't know how to install and use SwarmUI, this tutorial is here, so watch it. Move the SwarmUI installer into here and extract it and overwrite all the files. So you need to run the Windows update SwarmUI.bat file. This will update your SwarmUI to latest and start it. Then you need to import newest presets. You can use import choose file. Select the latest amazing SwarmUI presets, overwrite, or better alternative is, while the SwarmUI is running, use the Windows preset delete import. This will clear your history with a backup and import everything. Then click refresh and you will have all the up-to-date presets. So how you can use a preset? I want to show you Z Image Turbo Quality 1 with newest ControlNet. To have the newest ControlNet, start the Windows Start Download Models app.bat file. We also have updated this application. It is now much faster, better. And in the Z Image Turbo Core Bundle, you can download the entire bundle. So let's download it. It will only download your missing files. The new ControlNet is the Z Image Turbo Fun ControlNet Union 2.18 steps. So I already have it. What I'm going to do is quick tools, reset params to default, and I am going to apply my preset, direct apply. For Z Image Turbo with a ControlNet, I am going to use my trained LoRa, this one. I will use this prompt, and as a ControlNet image, I am going to choose file, select this file. You see this is 3:2 aspect ratio. I did it this way, and I will change the aspect ratio from here to same. And I will set the control preprocessor to Kenny H preprocessor. When you click preview, it will show us the preview. All of the ControlNet necessary models are also automatically installed with our installers. So you don't spend any time. Okay, it is accurate. You see, this is matching to this. This preview is generated according to your resolution. Then as a ControlNet strength, I recommend 0.6. And as a ControlNet model, we select this new one. This is better than the older version I have compared. Now the entire workflow is ready. So go to ComfyUI workflow, import from generate tab. Wait for this screen to get updated. You can also remove and click again to be sure. You see it is updated. Now click this menu icon. Go to File, Export. Give a name like Z Image Turbo Tutorial. And it will be saved into your downloads folder. Now our ComfyUI workflow is ready. I will close my SwarmUI and I will start my ComfyUI. There is one additional thing that you need to do to use your models saved inside your SwarmUI. You see we have extra model paths.yaml file. Copy it into your ComfyUI folder like this. Then open this file with any text editor. I am going to use Notepad++. All you need to do is changing this wherever you have installed your SwarmUI. So my SwarmUI is installed here. I copy this path and I paste it like this and put a backslash to end of it like this and save. So it is going to check these folders and assign them to these keys. So these keys are checkpoints, text encoders are same as inside your ComfyUI Models folder. So these are keys, you see, and these are the relative paths that whatever folder you are giving. You can also add here more folder options, and these will be extra to your ComfyUI folder. So it will see both the files inside here and also whatever are inside here. Then I will start my ComfyUI and run. So this way we are unifying our folder structure and we are avoiding model duplication. Okay, so my ComfyUI started. I will show how to open that preset. So the preset was downloaded into my downloads folder. I will drag and drop it here and it is loaded. There is few key things that you need to fix. First of all, SwarmUI uses its own load image and save image, save video. Therefore, you need to change this. So it is so easy. Add node image and you see there is load image like this. Then click choose file. Choose your ControlNet image in this case. If it was init to image, then you would choose init image. It is same. Then click here and drag and drop it to here. So you see now this Qwen Edge, which is going to pre-process this image and use as a Qwen, is connected to this load image. Okay, that's it. And in the save, if you want to save auto-generated images, we need to add a save image node. This is not saving in the ComfyUI, unfortunately. So add a node and image, and you see there is save image. And all I need to do is connect this. So it will both show and save. You can have both of them and run. Now let's watch the CMD window and the NVI tab. So it is going to use ComfyUI with full features, with full optimizations, with the very best configuration workflow because our presets are extremely well prepared. This workflow even upscales the generated image. So this is a very good workflow. It is also using the ControlNet. You see the final image is being 2272 to 1552. So this way you can prepare your workflow in SwarmUI, then use it in ComfyUI. Okay, so you see the image is generated. Now I can see it inside my ComfyUI, inside output, and it is here. So you see it is saved. When I open it, I can see it full size. And this newer ControlNet is really good. So you see it is even matching the background and it is generating my trained self. If you don't know how to train yourself with Z Image Turbo, we have an amazing tutorial here. So you see this tutorial is a masterpiece to learn Z Image Turbo training. We also have 1.2.2 training, which is very recently published. It is also amazing. We also have Qwen Image training tutorial. We have FLUX training tutorials. We have training tutorials for all the major, very best AI models at the moment. Okay, so this worked really great. What about running a video workflow? So I will start my SwarmUI again to generate the workflow and use it inside ComfyUI. So again, quick tools, reset params to default, go to presets. My recommended image to video is this one. This is amazing. So direct apply. Then let's select our init image. So let's select this one. For example, let's make the use closest aspect ratio. So the prompt is a man is talking in an award ceremony. Everything is set. All I need to do is ComfyUI workflow, import from generative tab, update it, file, export, let's say 1.2.2 image to video. Then I will close my SwarmUI, go back into our ComfyUI, and let's load new. Open, select the downloaded JSON file, and you see the workflow is loaded. Now I need to change the SwarmUI load image again. So add node, image, load image. Then I will move this to here. And also you see there is upscale image here. That's it. You can delete this one if you want, like remove. Then I also need to add a save. So this save doesn't work in the ComfyUI. And you see we are also using RIFE 2x frame interpolation. So for saving, right click, add node, image, video. And from here you see there is create video, save video. Let's say create video. This is taking images, image sequence. So drag and drop this here and set the FPS as 30 or 32. This will create a video but not save it. Then add node, image, video, and save video. Then connect this. So this will save the video as well. So you can remove this and run. Let's see the process. So now it will use the entire workflow. We only change load image, save video, and if necessary load video. So you need to do this manually, unfortunately, because SwarmUI handles it differently than the ComfyUI, but the rest is all working with perfect accuracy, same results as in the SwarmUI, because SwarmUI uses ComfyUI as a backend. So it is starting, it is fully optimized. If your VRAM is like 6 GB, it will still work. It will do automatic block swapping. How do I know? For example, I can even use BF16 model. It is 40 GB. It doesn't fit into my VRAM, but it fully works with full speed. So as long as you have sufficient amount of RAM memory, every model will work. Okay, it is getting generated right now. You may also get this unit unexpected. It is unimportant. You can ignore it. Okay, the first part of the video generated, you know the 1.2.2 uses both high noise and low noise. High noise generates the initial video, low noise adds details, and it is almost done. Let's see. Now it will do the RIFE frame interpolation. Yes, it is running here. You see the running node is highlighted like this. Okay, almost done. Yes, now saving video, and it is saved. Oh, we have given the inaccurate image. However, it is working. Which image did we give? Yes, we given this image. This is not the image that we were going to give, but it worked, as you can see. So this is how you use the SwarmUI presets in ComfyUI. Don't worry, it will work exactly the same in the RunPod and mass compute in the cloud, because I did the installation fully automatic for there as well. If you don't know how to install and use SwarmUI and ComfyUI in cloud like RunPod and mass compute, we also have amazing tutorial for that. You see, this is ComfyUI and SwarmUI on cloud GPUs. So if you are GPU poor, you can watch this tutorial to use it on the cloud like mass compute or RunPod. And finally, how you can use the models inside ComfyUI in SwarmUI. So for SwarmUI, go to server configuration. You need to change your model root. So you see, I need to give the model root of the ComfyUI. It is here as models. So I will copy paste this, then I will save, and it is saved. Then you can change some of the model names. For example, SD LoRa folder. This is not matching with the ComfyUI. The ComfyUI uses LoRAs. Therefore, you need to change this to LoRAs and save. So pay attention to these factors. Then it will see your ComfyUI folder structure in SwarmUI. This way you can avoid duplicating models. Don't forget to save. Whenever you make a change, it will ask you to save. So today's tutorial was this much, and I am working on Trellis 2 premium application. This model is insane. It can generate very high resolution, very high quality, both mesh and texture. You see, currently this is only 512 resolution with 1024 texture, and it is already amazing. I am working on all kind of possible optimizations. If you are very professional, you will be able to run it in the cloud with maximum quality or in your local computer. It will save all the generated files like this. So you will have all the GLB, GLTF, binary, object, PLY, STL. We will have everything, the material file, we will save it. We will save the previews like this. So this application will be hopefully amazing. I am about to complete it. There is also with 3D files, texturing, help guide. I'm also working on to implement batch processing. So you will give a folder and it will process all the files. We also have config, preset, save and load. Furthermore, our ultimate video and image upscaler application is also getting done. It is going to support Seed VR2 with full features. Face restoration, RIFE FPS, image-based flash VSR. So this is a massive application. Hopefully it will be also done. These errors are because the application is not running. So stay subscribed, leave a comment. You can ask me any questions from Patreon, from YouTube, wherever you want. Hopefully see you later.